Hi, and welcome back to Solid Print with me, Benjamin Keyser. Today, we're standing under the neon stars, or at least the new light that we've just got. I'm going to give you a very quick tour of our Fuse showroom. And of course, if you want any more details about anything, please do wait for the end of the video to find out how you can get those. We've got the Fuse printers over here. These are the Formlabs Fuse 1 and Fuse 1 Plus 30 watts, both really fantastic machines, and we really love printing with them. We do have some prints going on at the moment, so you can get a good look as to how each layer is actually formed with the Fuse 1 printer. Moving around, we have a couple of showcase items here, which actually involve a couple of different materials as well. So not only do we have our nylon 12 base material that we like to print with in-house, but we do have a couple of samples from the other materials that Formlabs offer, such as nylon 12 glass filled, nylon 11, which is actually a semi-flexible part there, and also the nylon 11 carbon fiber, which is their brand new material, which can be printed on the Fuse 1 Plus. We do also have a couple of post-processing options for nylon as well. Here we have our post-processing board, which include various different items such as the AM efficiency, the AM solutions, and our own methods of spraying and tumbling as well. We've got a lovely little case study, which is always on a roll here. At the moment, we're on Guy, fantastic company there, specializing in drone components, and they use their Fuse 1 really well for that. And of course, we have the Sift, which is the Fuse finishing station. This is where we extract all of our parts, and if you like archaeology, you'll love playing around with this. So do get in touch. Give us an email on info@solidprint3d.co.uk or phone us on 01926 333 777. And please do arrange a tour, virtual or in-house, with your own parts and your own files that you'd love to send us. We'd be more than happy to help you out. Thanks very much. Have a wonderful day and happy printing.